You might feel doomed and you have thoughts that this is never going to work, but I'm here to tell you that even you can learn how to journal for self-growth and manifestation. So in the next 5 to 6 minutes, come hang. You're going to learn some tools, tips, resources that you've probably never even thought of made a huge impact beginning to journal and make it part of your lifestyle. Journaling might be the perfect solution for you. It's a space to express yourself freely, explore your ideas. Maybe you feel like your head is overflowing with thoughts and emotions. If so, you are in the right place, friends. Maybe you're new to journaling and it feels a little intimidating. If you're ready, let's dive in. First things first, find the perfect journal for you. Don't overthink it. Don't make it complicated. It can be as simple as going to the dollar store and finding a composition notebook like shown here. Or if you are someone who likes to explore prompts and has things already written down for you and it helps generate and cultivate those ideas, buy a journal that is already pre-written. It can even be loose leaf paper. Find a beautiful journal that you love, and it can definitely make your journaling more inspiring and sustainable. Tip number 2, what do we do after we find our blank slate that we are going to create and put those ideas down on? It is our writing utensil. Now, this is probably the tip that really diversifies some people. Some people are going to be like, hey, you pencil folk out there, nah, go sit back. We've moved into the age of pens. But whatever it is for you, pen it out, type it up. There is no right or wrong way to journal. Some people prefer the tactile feel of pen on paper, while others prefer typing. Experiment and just see what works for you. Another element to highlight here, see what I did there, is not just finding the perfect writing utensil for you, but how you make your journal creative or stand out for you. For example, if you are someone that doesn't really need colors or accents, if it doesn't benefit the processing of what you are writing down, then you can just write in a simple pen or pencil in all the same color or tone. But if a highlighter or colored pens help you to retain the information that you are journaling in, or it just simply adds a little bit of extra creativity and enjoyment to your journaling process, to have the highlights and colors in there, definitely consider adding that to your repertoire of writing utensils. Anything that you can do that adds to the sustainability that you will continue to journal for weeks and months and perhaps years to come is a benefit in my book. Now we are moving on to tip number 3, and that is to set the environment. Perhaps you noticed in the very beginning of the video that I was pulling in some crystals and different items, and maybe you're wondering, well, what does that have to do with journaling? A lot, my friend. Your environment, space, sanctuary, wherever you choose to intentionally come to journal can make a huge impact on your journaling process. Simply put, your environment can either help you or hinder you when it comes to your journaling process. So choose wisely. I want to just take a quick second to give a shout out to all of you who have made this possible and to all of you who have made it this far in this video. I am forever grateful, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing. These last few tips are very subjective and very personal to each and every person. So if you are starting your journal journey, nix the pressure. It's all about you. This is your space, your haven. Forget grammar rules and perfect sentences. Just write. Vent your frustrations. Brainstorm ideas. Express gratitude. Whatever feels right in the moment, remember it's for your eyes only. Next is to find your flow. Are you going to do daily doodles or weekly wisdom? There's no one-size-fits-all journaling schedule. Whatever it is, try different approaches and see what feels most natural for you. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Last and absolutely not least is the magic of journaling. Journaling can be a powerful tool for self-discovery, stress relief, goal setting. It's a space to connect with your inner voice and process your emotions and gain clarity on your thoughts. So give it a try. You might be surprised at what you discover. Thanks for being here, friends.